I download a data table from Federal Housing Finance Agency. This table is terms on conventional single-family mortgages. Lots of information here, but right now I only interested in purchase price. So I copied this column to here, purchase price, and then I copied CPI to here. I want to explore, is there a linear relationship between CPI and purchase price? CPI is the explanatory variable. Purchase price is response variable. The quick way to do it is highlight these two columns, insert scatter plot, choose the basic one. We got a scatter plot. Move to here. Make bigger. Looks pretty linear. The horizontal axis is CPI. The vertical axis is the purchase price. And then we click one point and add trend line and choose linear and display equation. Check. Display R squared. Check. I want to remind you that don't choose set intercept. If you choose set intercept, Excel is going to force the linear line to across the 0 point. It is not necessary, so don't choose it. Now we have the linear relationship, the equation. We can move the equation to here. This is the S. S is the CPI. Y is the purchase price. This is the equation of their linear relationship. The R square, what is R square? R square is the coefficient of determination. This is the formula. R squared is a measurement of goodness of fit of our model. And remember, in our textbook, we have a term, correlation coefficient. The denotation is R. Correlation coefficient is a measurement of goodness of fit of a linear model. R squared you can use to measure the goodness of fit of any model, but this one, remember, only use for linear model. In Excel, you can use the formula CORREL to calculate correlation coefficient. Now we have everything. The two coefficient and also the equation. And the other way to 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 do the research about uh, linear relationship is use the Excel data analysis toolpad. Let me show you how to do it. Click one data in the data table, go to data, here data analysis. If you don't have this appear in your Excel, you need to go to tools and select go to tools go select Excel add-in to choose this one to install data analysis toolpath. Okay, let's go to data analysis toolpath and then choose regression and click OK and input Y range. This is our Y. Because the data is not so much, I did not form a data table. And input X range here. Okay. Oh, we don't include the label, so just uncheck it. Confidence level. And new worship, yeah. And we just choose everyone. Okay. And click OK. And now we have the, look at it. We have a new worksheet. Have lots of information here, but we only care about this, the R square, and also the intercept and S variable, and these two value. Actually, this is the S variable is actually CPI. We have these two number. We can have our linear equation. This one, they are the same. Now we have the equation. The next step is we want to use this equation to predict the future purchase price of single family home for about 7 years from 2019 to 2025. How to do it? Next section.